Asus Zenfone 5 specs and power. This is one of the main differences between the phones, as while the Asus Zenfone 5Z has up to 8GB of RAM and a top-end Snapdragon 845 chipset. The standard Asus Zenfone 5 has just 4GB of RAM and a mid-range Snapdragon 636 chipset. Then the Zenfone 5 Lite is lower still, though still mid-range, with its Snapdragon 630 chipset. The Zenfone 5Z also has more storage, with up to 256GB built in, compared to 64GB on the standard Asus Zenfone 5, though both also have a microSD card slot, as does the Zenfone 5 Lite. The two headline phones also run Android Oreo. The Zenfone 5 Lite quite possibly does as well, but that hasn't yet been confirmed. Asus Zenfone 5 other features. All three Zenfone 5 models have fingerprint scanners and facial recognition, as well as NFC, so contactless payments should be supported. The Zenfone 5 and Zenfone 5Z also have dual stereo speakers and support for high-res audio. As with so many other things, the Zenfone 5 Lite might also have these features, but details are currently thin on the ground. MWC, Mobile World Congress, is the world's largest exhibition for the mobile industry, stuffed full of the newest phones, tablets, wearables and more. TechRadar is reporting live from Barcelona week to bring you the very latest from the show floor. Head to our dedicated MWC 2018 hub to see all the new releases, along with TechRadar's world-class analysis and buying advice about your next phone. Rev article to help fight the flab, Mobius zapped my brain with electricity and my mind with neuroscience published 7 hours ago. Next article with best antivirus software of 2018 published 7 hours ago. Recommended by